Welcome back to the channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. In today's video, a quick unboxing of the Magic Keyboard that I bought on Amazon Prime Day on Amazon. I purchased this item to work with my brand new Mac Mini M2 and I'm very excited to get started. I did own I have another Magic Keyboard, the second generation I think this is, which I use with my iMac late 2013. So I know about this product, and for the channel I just wanted to unbox it, show you what to expect, show you what's in the box. So here I have the I think international edition. This one comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable. So here, this must be the seal. Let's remove it. And as you can see with this seal that I just removed, you can pull out the contents of this package. So let's zoom out a bit and get started. So that's the outer box, or the sleeve of the box. Let's put it right here. And here we have the contents of this package. So this is the one that I plan to use with the Mac Mini M2. It's a wireless keyboard. It has all the function keys that you need on the Mac. And I think you can recharge it using the provided Lightning cable. And in my experience, the battery of this device is just crazy. Like, you rarely need to charge it. And the charging cable, the Lightning cable, also makes sure to connect the keyboard to your Mac device so easily. So connecting it with the Lightning cable will make your device recognize this keyboard. So here we have the keyboard. We have a nice Apple logo at the back, and we have some silicone tips for your table, not to scratch your table or whatsoever. And as you can see, this device is quite thin. We have a power switch, we have the Lightning port, and I think that's it. And then of course we have a bunch of keys. This is the one that comes in silver, and here you can have a closer look at those function keys. I really love, for example, F1, F2 for brightness, and the keys that I use for the volume. So I decided to go with the original Apple product because I really care about these keys that I use like all the time. So therefore I didn't go with like an aftermarket keyboard, for example Logitech and so on and so forth. So let's remove the plastic. And let's put the keyboard to the side for now. Peeking at it one more time, I think it's just so stylish. So I went for the small keyboard. There's one with a larger one with a numpad, which I don't use that much to justify buying it. So therefore I went with this smaller one that's also taking less space on your desk, and it's also more affordable. So here we have some paperwork. These are some papers that I probably never read. And here is some information about the product. So welcome to your Magic Keyboard. It has a rechargeable battery, uses Bluetooth technology to connect wirelessly to your Mac. Make sure your Apple is up to date with software. And this shows you how to connect it. So there is USB-C that goes to your Mac device, and then there's the Lightning cable that goes into the keyboard. There's the on and off switch. There's a lock button on the top right of the device. To pair it with your device, you use the cable. Lock your Mac. Quickly press the lock key to lock your Mac. To unlock your Mac, press any key, then type your password. So I guess when you're leaving your desk, you can press the lock key and that will just lock your device. So that's quite nice. So you can just lock it in a split of a second. Customize your Magic Keyboard. You can change the keys, so on and so forth. And here are some of the function keys that are quite helpful. So this is the one that I use a lot, brightness. So mission control, that's great. Spotlight, that's great. This spotlight I'm going to use more often. There's a do not disturb button even, so that's fantastic. FN, switch to a different keyboard or emoji. Very nice. So this booklet actually I think is quite useful. You can rename your keyboard, so on and so forth. So that's about it. I think that's the most important information that we can find in this booklet. And here, super interesting, this is the Lightning cable, as you can see here, with the USB-C that goes into your Mac device. and this one is braided. It's not like those typical charging cables that are just from that plasticky material, but this is just braided. It's just beautiful. I'm going to pair this one up to my Mac Mini using this part that goes into my Satoshi hub. This one goes into the keyboard, which I will show you just right now. So that's the lightning that goes to this part. Then I'm going to turn on the switch, the power switch. It should be green when it's turned on, and off should look like this. So let's turn it on like so. Let's connect it to my Satoshi hub. So that is the Mac Mini on the Satoshi hub, and as you can see, I can connect it like so to the USB-C port on the Satoshi hub, and that should be able to power on the keyboard and get started with this really fantastic keyboard, the Magic keyboard. I'll leave a link to the Amazon store where you can purchase this item. If this video was helpful to you, then please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you soon.